You got to improvise because you got more than you expected.
Oh, yeah.
We always teach our children about community service. So every year we do a community service project with our safety patrol and ambassadors because we want them to know the importance of giving back. So this week we chose to do cereal.
I decided to participate because I feel like I could really be a big help and it'll make me feel good about myself because I can be able to help people and help people that don't have what we have.
I donated about 5 boxes, and I did it because I knew it was for a good reasoning to donate to homeless.
3, 2, 1.
Well, we just told them that it's important that they feel grateful for what they have, but it's also a lot of people in the community that don't have what they have. So there's a lot of homeless people, hungry families, and we need to try to service those people in order to make the community better. The goal was to collect 200, but we collected over 1,000 boxes of cereal. So our kids really turned out. They really did an awesome job.